Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Honor Pad 9 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you try search your game but you don't have it there, to fix it we must go back to main menu of our table, the Google Play Store, and tap on the photo on our photo on the right corner, where we choose settings, their family and parental control, which is on right now, and we have page 3. To visible game or application of Mobile Legends games we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and there we can easily change it by tap on page 16, maybe config by understood, and save. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!